Hello students, today we'll discuss about acid. Okay, acid, base and salt. Okay, this is the chemistry of class 10 chapter 2 acid, base and salt. In previous lecture we have discussed about acid. Okay, what is the types of acid on the basis of their strength. Okay, then in previous lecture already we have discussed. Okay, on the basis of their strength means capability, power, how many types of acid. Okay, so in previous lecture we had also discussed about strong acid and weak acid. So now today we'll discuss about on the basis of their concentration. Understand, acids are classified as according to their concentration. Concentration means you know about na what is their power. Also we can say that this is also concentration, what is the power of acid in aqua solution. Understand. So according to concentration, acids are also classified into two categories. Two categories, dilute acid and another is what, concentrated acid. Okay, so first we will discuss about the diluted acid. First what we will discuss about dilute acid. So you know about dilute acid means you know about acid which have low concentration of acids in aqua solution. Understand. Yeah, also we can say that that acid which are dissolved into the water, dissolved in aqua solution. Okay, that is known as diluted acid. Okay, so dilute acid mean about na, they say vinegar. Vinegar you know about na, acetic acid. Vinegar is also known as acetic acid. Okay, CH3COOH. So vinegar also dissolved into the aqua solution. Okay, and their concentration is low. Okay, lower concentration of acid in aqua solution. That is known as dilute acid. Dilute means also we can say that what, acid dissolved into the aqua solution, water. Okay, then it is known diluted. In case of concentrated means also you know that what do you mean by concentration. The concentration means kya, acids which have high concentration of acid in aqua solution. Okay, in aqua solution there have high concentration. Okay, in aqua solution means water there have a high power. Understand, high strength value. Okay, high concentration, that is known as concentrated acid. Okay, that's also we know that what concentrated acid means HCl. Okay, H2SO4, hydrochloric acid, sulfuric acid. These are the also we consider concentrated acid. Understand. Okay, so these are concentrated acid. So in this way these are the acids. And now we'll discuss about the base. What? Now we'll discuss about base. So all of you know about the base. Okay, all of you know about what is base. In everyday life also, okay, we use different material or different things. Understand, just like you know about na detergent, soap. Okay, so all behaves like a base. Understand why these are base? Because क्या होता है कि bases are the substance which is bitter taste. You know about na bitter taste. Bitter means what, कड़वा. Okay, that substance which are bitter taste, that is known as base. Okay, also we can say that that substance which produces hydroxide ions in aqua solution. That substances which produces hydroxide ions in aqua solution. Okay, or also we can say that that substance or material which turn red litmus to blue. Understand, red litmus to blue. Understand, and also act as electrolytes in solution. Understand, act as an electrolytes in solution, aqua solution. Okay, so this is known as base. Understand. So also know that na hydroxide ion, just you know about NaOH. Okay, this is the base. Understand, NaOH के CaOH called to calcium hydroxide. Understand. So this is also a base because here is present what, OH minus ion, hydroxide. Here is also hydroxide ion, OH. So it is a base. Understand. And now we will discuss about water soluble bases are called alkali. You know about na that bases which are completely soluble in water. Understand, that bases which are completely soluble in water, that is known as alkali. Okay, so alkali means what, also we can say that that's NaOH NaOH, KOH, okay, CaOH called to calcium hydroxide. These are the what, alkali. Understand, means water soluble which are easily dissolved into the water, dissociate into the ions. Okay, that is known as what, alkali. Understand. And also you know that कि all alkali are bases. You know what now? All alkali are bases, but all bases are not alkali. Understand? All alkali are bases, but not all bases are not alkali, because all bases are not completely dissolved into aqueous solution, water. Understand? So all bases are not alkali. Some bases, okay, but all alkali are known as bases, just like NaOH, KOH, okay. Understand? CaOH का whole 2 calcium hydroxide, potassium hydroxide. So these are known as alkali. Understand? Now next we will discuss about on the basis of their strength. Okay, bases are classified as on the basis of their strength. Strength means you know about no power, capability. So on the basis of their strength, bases are classified into how many? Just like acid, 2 types. Which? A strong acid. Understand? And second is what? Second is the which acid? Weak acid. Understand? Sorry, weak bases. The first, a strong base. You know about now what do you mean by strong base? The strong bases, okay, strong bases are those bases which completely dissociate into its ions. Understand? In aqueous solution. Understand? The strong bases are those bases which are completely dissociate into its ion in aqueous solution, that is known as strong base. Okay? Just like a sodium hydroxide, NaOH, potassium hydroxide, KOH. Okay? So these are the strong base. Okay? Which are completely dissolved into the ion. And completely dissolved into aqueous solution. Understand? Just like a NaOH. NaOH dissolved into the water, aqueous solution. Then it will dissociate into ion, Na plus and OH minus. Understand? And it form the mobile ions. Okay, positive and negative charge. So this is known as what? A strong acid. Completely dissolved into the water. Okay, dissociate into its ion. But in case of weak acid, you know about weak acid? Sorry, weak bases. So weak bases you know about na? Ki weak bases are those bases, okay, which don't completely dissolve into, okay, water, yeah, which don't completely dissociate into its ion in aqueous solution. Understand? That is known as what? Weak bases. Okay, so weak bases you know about na, just like a which is known as ammonium hydroxide, okay, NH4OH. These are known as weak base. Why? Because it's not completely dissociate into ion. Okay, don't formation of the ions, positive and negative ions. Okay, it is partially dissolved into the aqueous solution, so it is known as weak base, ammonium hydroxide. Okay, so in this way these are the two types of bases, strong and weak bases. Now we discuss about strong acid or strong strength of acid or base solution. Okay, what is the strength of acids or base solution? Understand? Strength of acid or base solution. So also we know that a scale for measuring hydrogen ion, okay, in concentration in a solution is called pH. You know about now? Ki one scale which measuring the, okay, hydrogen ion concentration in a solution. Ki in any aqueous solution which measure the hydrogen ion. Okay, what is the capability of hydrogen ion? That is known as pH scale. Also we can say that kya? Ki pH scale measuring the concentration of hydrogen ion. Understand? That is known as pH scale. So you know about a pH. P in kya hota? pH stand for the potenge. Potenge means you know about na? Potenge is a German word which means the power. Potenge is a German word, okay, which means power. Okay. Also we can say the P matlab potential या power of hydrogen. Understand? Okay. I hope you all are understand. Okay. Thank you.